Welcome to Early Learners, featuring PH, sounding like F. Teaching test, video flashcard, PH, sounding like F. Step 34 phonics. Get ready. Here we go. Elephant. E, L, E, F, nt. PH sounds like F. E, L, F, nt. Elephant. Elephant. Giant elephant. Nephew. Oh, where you come from, rat? Ooh, nephew. PH sounds like F. Ne. Ooh, nephew. Orphan. Or. PH sounds like F. Or. Orphan. Prophet. Per. A. Et. PH sounds like F. Prophet. 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 Moses the prophet. And the 10 Commandments. Holy man. Moses. Pamphlet. Am. Where you going, rat? Oh, Lord. Et. Like fish. Like frog. Pamphlet. 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 Like a pamphlet book. You're writing. Phonograph. O. O. A. 2 F's. No. Graph. Phonograph. Photograph. O. A. Photograph. 2 F's. Photograph. Photograph. Okay, we're going to take some photos. We're going to take some pictures. One, nice picture. Birthday boy. Birthday party. Birthday girl. Birthday ladies. Birthday family. Watch out, he's going to eat your ice cream. Telegraph. T, L, E, G, A, PH sounds like F. Telegraph. Telegraph. Telephone. T, L, E, O, F. PH sounds like F. T, L, phone. E is silent. Telephone. A red telephone. Old time telephone there. Dial telephone. Rotary dial. Phone. O, on. E is silent. On. Cell phone. Flip top cell phone. Alphabet. A, O. Uh-oh, rat. I'm gonna catch you this time. Blocking. Block. I got you blocked. Blocking. Block him. Oh, I got you blocked. Now you can't get away. I got you. Interrupting my phonics lesson. Oh, you're smart, huh? Okay. A, B, et. Al, F, bet. Alphabet. Alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. The end. PH sounds like F.